It's a good fish. It's a 20-incher easy. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. Hey everybody, it's Tim with Combat Fly Fishing. I kind of took a last minute trip. I'll be fishing by myself. I'm gonna head out to the Dream Stream and just see what's going on. It's gonna be a pretty cold winter day. I'm hoping that the temps outside will keep the angling pressure down a little bit, but we'll see. The flows aren't spectacular, but they're decent, and so I guess we'll just kind of see what happens. Looking forward to it. I haven't been out to the Dream Stream in quite some time, so I'm not really sure what to expect. There's not much as far as fishing reports out there that are recent anyway. Nothing's really been posted within the last several weeks that I could find on the internet. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. See what happens. I made it here. A few people here. The lower parking lots are a lot more full than the upper parking lot. I guess the gale force winds, as you can probably tell through the video, are just howling right now. So it is going to be difficult dealing with this wind, but we'll see what happens. Looking forward to it. And we're off. All right, fish on. Just running this deep pocket blind. I wasn't seeing any fish at all, but you know, there's always something in these deep runs. Looks like a little rainbow. All right. There we go. Nice. That is not a bad trout right there. Good looking rainbow. Oh no, it's a cutty. All right. Skunk is off. Get him on the way. Let's try it again. It's that poison tungsten. That original poison tungsten just, this time of year, just seals the deal. They're all over it. Put a San Juan worm as kind of an attractor, but just to kind of get them to look at it, but the majority of these fish are going for that poison tungsten. There we go. Nice. That's a nice solid hookup. Nice. This could be a brown trout. I think it is a brown trout. Look at that. Nice. Well, his gill plates are deformed. Yeah, poor little guy's gill plates are all deformed. He seems to be thriving okay. Get him on his way. Well, this seems to be a pretty good spot. Just doing a tight line drift right now. Sometimes I get questions like on the things like, when do you indicator nymph or you do tight line nymphing? And I guess the standard answer is it just kind of depends on what, there we go, another one. It all kind of depends on what water I'm fishing. Right now I'm fishing a really deep hole that I can't see into, and I can get right above it, and I can get that rod tip right above the run. So I'm going to tight line nymph. Seems to be a pretty good fish. Let's see. Pick the sand one. There we go. Oh, nice. Cutthroat. Not bad. It's a beaut. Absolute beaut. Look at that thing. I just lost a big rainbow. Came shooting out of the water right before got all my stuff. Just threw the hook in that jump. It was a nice rainbow too. Well, I am just not having very good luck on fly fishing trips lately. So I just realized that I have lost a fly box somewhere along the way today. Fell out of my pack or something, but I have lost a fly box, which is not good. So went to change up flies, found out I was missing a fly box, and the flies that I wanted to use that I tied up specifically for today are laying on the side of the river somewhere. Well, I backtracked my route in search of my lost fly box, and I could not find it. So one of three things happened. Either A, another angler found it. Two, I dropped it in the river while I was fishing and didn't notice. Or D, I forgot my route back and I didn't backtrack completely and I missed it somewhere along the way. But that's okay. Easy come, easy go, I guess. Just gonna have to get back behind the vise and tie up some more. All right, sun's out. See if this run will produce a nice fat fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh. Oh, that's a heavy one.
Beautiful.
Woo! That is a heavy fish. Holy cow. So I've got some news, an update. So the fly box has still not been found, but we are at the 11th hour of this fishing trip, and I have not fallen. Now I might have just jinxed it, I don't know, but if I could somehow just focus on that, this could very well be a really good fishing trip, even though I lose a fly box. There we go. All right. Seen this guy yet. Ooh, it's a tank. It's a good fish. All right, we'll cut through it. It's a good size. So I got myself hung up here, and I'm going to show you a little trick to get it undone. You just go upstream a little bit, put the rod parallel to the water, and just jig it like that, and that thing will come right out almost every time. Ta-da! There you go. Slammed it. Nice. And they're liking that San Juan worm, which is different. This morning they were crushing the poison tungsten, but really, oh, there you go. Oh, we got off. Oh, it is on fire all of a sudden. It just turned on. They didn't want what I had before, but they are on it now. Ooh. It's a decent fish. Oh man. And they all want that same thing. It's a decent fish. Yeah, nice rainbow. Could be, oh, it's a cutty. Oh yeah. That is just awesome. This is a monster. Oh. This is a good fish right here. And of course, my eyelets are froze up. Oh, there we go. I think we're okay now. Oh yeah, this is a good fish. Oh, oh yeah. Oh jeez. She's not gonna come in easy. Oh yeah, this is a 20-incher easy. Mama. Oh, that's a trout right there. That's a gorgeous fish. Gorgeous. Alright. Get him on his way. Well, I'm heading back to the car. These gale force winds are bringing with it some drop in the temperature. So, had a really good day today, aside from the fact that I lost a fly box. It wasn't my main fly box, which is good, but still a little bit of a sting. And even better, this is the first trip I've been on in a long time that I didn't fall and hurt something, which is just so bizarre to me that these last, I think it's like the last 5 trips I've been on, I've taken some nasty spills. It's my own fault, and it's like, you know, wasn't, you know, I was doing stuff I probably shouldn't have been doing and ended up falling, but whatever. But pretty good day. Caught a lot of fish. Nothing massive. I think the biggest fish I caught was in the 20-inch range, but all healthy fish. And from talking to a few people, no one was really getting into anything, so I'm grateful that, you know, I found a few pockets that were fishing pretty good. Anyway, heading back now. I mean, I could still fall. I mean, car's 150 meters away, and I'm walking on a little dirt road, but you never know. I could fall. Hopefully not, but if I do, bound to make it a doozy. So there you go. Ooh, there's a couple anglers right there. I might dig deep into my bag of tricks pull out my best Barney Miller interrogation tactics. See if they found my fly box. I will let you know.